Lecture 56, Working Principle of Transformers. So this lecture explains the mutual induction phenomena of transformer, the AC excitation, the flux generation and linkages in transformer, and voltage transformation using transformers. So the basic operating principle of a transformer is mutual induction, and let's understand it step by step. So in step 1, AC voltage is applied to the primary winding, due to which an alternating current will flow through the primary winding. Due to the flow of alternating current, an alternating flux is set up inside the core, which is given by phi m sin omega t. It is time varying in nature. This time varying flux links with primary winding as well as secondary winding. Due to this flux linkage, as per Faraday's law, an EMF is induced whose value is given by minus n d phi by dt. So in primary, the EMF is given by minus n1 d phi by dt, and in secondary it is given by minus n2 d phi by dt, where n1 is the number of turns in primary and n2 is the number of turns in secondary. So E1 is almost equal to the input voltage and E2 is almost equal to the output voltage. So when we divide the two equations, we get this formula, that is V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2. So from here, if N2 becomes greater than N1, that means that V2 becomes greater than V1. That means the output voltage is higher than input, so the transformation is step up. And if N2 is less than N1, that means that V2 is less than V1. Therefore, the output voltage is less than input voltage and the operation is step down transformation. So there are two operating conditions of transformer: no load condition and load condition. In no load is connected to the output terminals, and in load condition, load is connected to the output terminals. In no load condition, very small current, that is magnetizing current, flows through the primary, and in load condition, significantly higher current will flow to the primary during the operating process. If rather than AC we give DC to the input, then the flux produced will become constant, and due to the constant flux there is no induced EMF, and therefore transformer will not work on DC.